Sunday, December 8th, probably about an hour before sunset. You can see at the top the shingles right there in the middle of the screen where they're lifted up, but you can also see that gap right here along the top edge there. It's July 31st, just after 3 p.m. Here's an update on what's happening to the Lakeside High School repairs. This side of the school, as far as we can see, those trees are blocking part of it. Nothing's being done. The roof is off. There's no equipment around. It appears that nothing is happening. I see all the lower windows that are open on both wings, front and back, and I'll take you around to this end over here, give you another shot, and then another shot from around the back. Here's a shot from the board office end, still on the front of the school. There's the main entrance. And this area right over here is where I took the first shot from. The rain is coming down. I couldn't tell you if there is a tarp in place up top to prevent the water from getting in or not. But now I'm going to go around to the back side over here next to the football field and take another shot from the back side as far as I can get around the back of the building. This is the board office end of the building. Again, the windows are open on the bottom floor. There's the vent entrance. And it's all fenced in. I see one car in that area. And this goes around to the back side of the school with the football field over in this area. But I'm going to get back in and see if we can get a shot from the back side. Now the roofs are all still on in this back area. It's just the front two wings that have the roof removed as far as I can see. From the back side, you can see that a good portion of the roof is still on this area. But as I round the corner here, heading around over to the other wing where I first made the first shot from, you can see that the roof is missing. I'm going to make one more short drive down to that fence and we'll see if the area where the hallway is got the roof removed from that. Here's a closer shot of the back side of this wing, and in the previous video there was quite a bit of damage in that area, but I expected part of this roof to be gone, but it's not. And again, there's no construction equipment around. It looks as if nothing's being done on this project at this point.